Hey, I'm at one of my local grocery stores. It's called Matsugen. Oh, there you go. Matsugen. I always say that kanji looks Chinese. The whole place looks Chinese just because the sign is red and it has that kanji. I think it's the squares. Anyways, I'm showing you today a new vending machine that, well, there you go. The mascot character is Anpan Man. Anpan Man is something everyone knows about, from little children to adults. Even adults from their childhood, they know Anpan Man. There's milk, I think. Mixu. Mikan mix. Yogurt mix.
Look, Anpan Man! Minna genki?
Everyone happy. Pick whatever flavor you want. Alright, so yes, Anpan, brand new, shiny Anpan machine. Pick whatever flavor you want. Bye.